Yes, family, we're at Fuller Waterfalls in the city of Kintampo, up above the center of Ghana, here in the Brang-Hafo region. And family, it's only going to get better as we hike our way up to the top.
Not this tree. There's a tree. Yeah, that's the
Yes, family, it is the journey of a lifetime, and we're here at the top about to get in the water and enjoy the feel-free flow. Family, the waterfalls is coming down. Cool butter, yo. It's just spent this off, you know. Family. That's the view we gave from here earlier. And now we're at the very top. This is paradise, and we're about to get a little wetter as we're about to slip on down into our swimsuit. SAS representing over there. Got the master bikini on, showing off.
That's right.
Showing us six-pack and all that good stuff. Family, enjoy nature, be free. You can do everything other than skinny dipping, so it's all good. Nearly you ready to dive in?
Yeah. I'll bring a towel.
We'll give you a towel. We can share towels, all of us.